Hello everyone. Our today's topic is measuring mass, in which we will study about mass, weight. Are mass and weight the same thing? Units of mass and their conversions, unit of weight, formula of weight. Will the mass and weight be different on Earth, Moon and other planets? Let's accept it. Most of us think that mass and weight are pretty much the same thing. Are they? No, they are not. There's a very simple way to understand the difference. Mass is simply the amount of the matter that's present in an object. Now consider two situations. One in which the object is on the earth and second in which the same object is on the moon. Will the mass of the object be different in these cases? To answer this question, we ask ourselves another simple question. Will the amount of matter present in the object be different in these cases? Absolutely not. The matter in the object is not changing at all, which is why the mass will be the same in each of the cases. The mass of an object remains constant no matter where it is placed. The standard metric unit of mass is the kilogram. Large masses are measured in tons. Small masses are measured in grams or milligrams. The symbol for ton is T, and 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. Then the symbol of gram is G. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. And the symbol of milligram is mg. And 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. And you already know how to convert one unit from the other unit. Smaller to bigger unit, we divide by 1000, and large to small unit, we multiply by 1000. Now what is weight? How do we understand the weight of an object? Mass is nothing but the measure of how much matter of an object has. And weight is a measure of how strongly gravity pull on the matter. It's the measurement of the gravitational pull of an object. Or weight is a force exerted on masses because of gravity. How can we understand weight using a formula? According to Newton's second law of motion, which says that force acting on an object is the product of its mass and acceleration, that is F is equals to m into A. We can replace A with G. This is actually the weight of the object. So W is equals to m into G. This is the formula for weight, where m is mass and G is acceleration due to gravity. SI unit of weight is the same as the force, and that is newtons. We can also say that weight is directly proportional to mass. And the main takeaway from video up till now is mass of an object remains constant everywhere, whereas its weight depends on the gravitational force at the location. Now, gravity of Earth, Moon and different planets. The Earth's value of gravity is 9.8 newtons per kilograms. Earth's moon gravity is 1.6 newtons per kilogram. The gravity of Mars is 3.7 newtons per kilograms. And the gravity on Jupiter is 25 newtons per kilograms. Let's solve one question. The mass of the car is 1600 kilograms. What is the weight of this car on Earth? For solution, we will write the formula for weight, and we already know that the weight is equals to mass into gravity. The mass is already given us, that is 1600 kilograms. We multiply it by the gravity of the Earth, and that is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. So we get the answer 15,680 newtons. So this is the weight of a car on the earth. Its second part is, if the mass of the car is 1600 kilogram, the mass is not changing. It's same everywhere, but the weight will change. Now what is the weight of this car on the moon? It will change because of the gravitational force. The gravity of moon is 1.6 newtons per kilogram. So let's put this value in the formula and multiply 1600 kilograms by 1.6 newtons per kilogram. We get the answer 2560 newtons. Now what is the weight of the same car on Jupiter? By putting the value of gravity of Jupiter in the formula, that is 25 newtons per kilogram. This is the gravitational force of Jupiter. We get the value, we get the answer, that is 40,000 newtons. So we can see the mass remains same everywhere, but the weight, it varies. It is different on different planets. Here is one question for you all. The mass of your body is 5 kilograms. What is the weight of your body on Earth? What is the weight of your body on Moon? And what is the weight of your body on Jupiter? Find this out, and then you will come to know the weight of different planets. Now, a balance is used to measure the mass. There are many types of balance. A beam balance can give accurate results. It has a single pan into which the object to be weighed is placed. The sliding masses are moved slowly until the pointer is at 0. This means that the masses and the object to be weighed exactly balance each other. The mass of the object is then read off on the scale. And the second one is an electronic balance. Electronic balances are being used more and more in laboratories. Once the balance has been set to 0, the object to be weighed is placed in the pan. Then its mass comes up quickly and accurately on a digital screen. Thank you so much. Goodbye.